Sihlehliselwe ulwesine oluzayo isigcawu sesicelo sebheyili sabasolwa abathathu ababhekene namacala okubulala khathi kunezibhelu ePhoenix eNyakatho yeKwaZulu Natal. Lelicala lihlehlisiwe ukuvumela abanye abasolwa okungu Ned Govender ukuba bazitholele abameli. Lokhu kulandela ukhoxa kaAdvocate Kessi Naidu ecaleni labo. Namhlanje inkantolo izwe ukuthi kunabameli abatshele umndeni wezinsizwa zakwaGovender ukuthi bayesaba ukubandakanyeka kuleli cala. Umphakathi obubhikisha ngaphandle kwenkantolo usemkele isinqumo.
As we speak, we are very happy because even their legal team has decided to leave them for ethical reason. To us, it shows that what we have been saying, that these people are guilty and they are guilty as charged. So the reason that their legal team has decided to leave them alone, because they've said it's for ethical reason. We understand it very well. It's because they realize that these people are guilty and they could not continue representing them in court. So we want justice to be done.
The criminals must be behind bars. But what is the challenge out of all this? We want the magistrate as well to be changed, because if you look at this case, it's a racial case. It needs to be balanced in terms of the people who are conducting the proceedings.
Engingakuthokozela kakhulu ukuthi ibheli abangayinikeza abanenhliziyo ezimbi labantu laba okungiphatha kabi ukuthi labantu laba bayohlaliswa eDurban Central ePolice Station bahlaliselwane zonke iziboshwa. Mina nje ngomunye ex offender angaze ngihlale ePolice Station isikhathi esingaka. Mangabe iphela angakayithola ikakalungi ushona lapho ushona ejele.